Welcome to Survival World with the
Come on!
bed.
Come on! Give me my pumpkin! Give me my bed, bro.
Why do you need that desperately a bed?
Mak, tawagan mo si mama mo. Kamustahin mo.
I found an
Di ba
armadillo.
hindi nagsagot 2 beses? Yan na lang.
Oh no, it's
where are you?
night. I have crafting table. Here's yours. Here's mine.
Where's mine?
Your, yeah.
Oh. I want to craft something.
Right down back.
Okay. What? You want a door? Because I can give you a door.
No.
I have a door.
Man, I did get a stick.
I have a door, bro. I forgot I have a door. I think the Levelite door.
10 doors.
Yeah. I think the Levelite.
Doors.
Morning.
Wala kang pasok?
Wala po.
Huwag kahapon may pasok ka?
Apo.
Guys, I will mute my mic for a minute.
Hindi pa maalis
Don't want to. Oh. What? I already have door.
Where?
Here.
Oh, give me one. That's so nice, door. Give me one that door. Because I know. You want a light? I have a light. You think that
Here.
Dar, the dar, Where are you? Where is it?
Punta ka doon kay daddy na. Set up mo yung yung tinatawag.
Ka na.
Cereal. Ano din eh. Sorry, ang pagbigo.
Liliit.
도레시미다 도라미미다 에오세요 엄마야 엄마야 난 엄마야
If I can sleep over
Pero mainit tayo na. Butas ko.
Ah!
Butas eh. Gawa ko sa pang lalagyan ng pandesal.
Go!
Ilan? Busog ka ata. Ito sabihin mo, hindi mo na maubusin. Taklo. Taklo nga. Sabihin mo kay Kuya, taklo. Kulang mo kay Kuya, taklo.
Apat.
Eh,
Sorry guys.
taklo lang muna. Sabihin mo yung daddy mo.
Jimmy Musayo. Army Star.
Magawa ka na lang bagay. Mami, hindi mo yun makaya.
Yabe wake up. Yabe
Yan
na
na
wake
naman
up.
ang kukuha ni merong may kagat oh.
Ha?
Pinakagatan mo lahat. Yan yung may kagat oh.
Ah.
Kalagong. Dahop.
Sleep over.
No.
Sleep over.
No.
Ow! Ah! Tukla may tinako. Quick up! Star pa rin ako.
Ha?
Star.
No.
You're just... I'm going home.
Basta.
I'm going home.
Do you have a home?
No.
Well, bye bye bye.
Oh.
I see. Baby, bye bye bye. It's almost this day.
Di ako na-quit.
Asan ka?
Avenger time! I'm going to the far away. Wait, going out to think, Mal.
Yay, my stick. My stick.
Mommy, now I'm more than
Waiting for part 11.
Where to go?
Bye-bye.